बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, अगेन वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ प्लांट पैथोलॉजी। टुडे आई विल डिस्कस अबाउट द टॉपिक काजेज ऑफ प्लांट पैथोलॉजी, बायोटिक काजेज, एबायोटिक काजेज and mesobiotic causes of plant diseases. Plant diseases are caused by a variety of pathogens. Pathogen is an agent or factor that cause diseases. The word pathogen can be broadly defined as an agent or factor that incites pathos or disease in an organism. Abiotic or inanimate factors are caused by non-living factors. For example, nutrients, light, moisture, and they include mainly the deficiency or excess of nutrients, light, moisture, aeration, abnormality in soil condition, atmospheric impurities. Examples are black tip of mango due to sulfur dioxide toxicity, Khera disease of rice due to zinc deficiency, whiptail of cauliflower due to molybdenum deficiency, hollow and black heart of potato due to excessive accumulation of carbon dioxide in storage, bitter pit of apple due to calcium deficiency. Mesobiotic causes. Mesobiotic causes are caused by neither living nor non-living factors. They are the diseases incidents which are neither living nor non-living. They are considered to be on the threshold of life. They are mesobiotic causes की एग्जाम्पल वायरसेस और वायराइड्स हैं. वायरसेस they are made up of DNA and RNA. For example, potato leaf roll virus, leaf curl of tomato and chilies, and potato mosaic virus. Viroids, they are naked infectious strands of nucleic acid. They cause diseases like potato spindle tuber, citrus exocotis, chrysanthemum stunt, cadding of coconut palm, star crack of apple. Biotic or animate causes are caused by living or animate factors. For example, prokaryotes, eukaryotes. तो prokaryotes like bacteria which are unicellular prokaryotic microorganism without the defined nucleus. Examples are brown root or wilt of potato, soft root of potato and vegetables, citrus canker. Phytoplasma. Phytoplasma are wall-less prokaryotes and cause diseases like Peach's disease. Fastidiosis Bacterium Zazida fastidiosa causes almond leaf scotch, Pear's disease of grapevine. Eukaryotes. Eukaryotes are the organism with two nucleus. Fungi. Potato wart, powdery mildew, rust, smut, red root of sugarcane. Nearly 80% of the plant diseases are caused by fungi. Straminopiles are omicides are fungal-like omicide. Fungi-like organisms are also known as straminopiles. तो इनके एग्जांपल्स में आ जाता है डॉनी मिल्डियो, लेट ब्लाइट ऑफ पोटैटो, वाइट रस्ट ऑफ क्रूसीफर, डैम्पिंग ऑफ एक्सेट्रा, प्रोटोजा, हार्ट रूट ऑफ कोकोनट पाम एंड फॉलम नेक्रोसिस ऑफ कॉफ़ी. अलजी की एग्जांपल में आ जाता है रेड रस्ट ऑफ मैंगो और प्यापा और लिची. मेटाजोन एनिमल्स आर नेमाटोड्स. इनकी एग्जांपल में आ जाता है रूट नोट ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स, ईयर कोकल ऑफ व्हीट, सिट्रस डिक्लाइन और पोटैटो सिस्ट नेमाटोड एक्सेट्रा. पैरासिटिक फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स आर फ्लेरोगैमिक प्लांट पैरासाइट्स. तो इनकी एग्जांपल में आ जाता है डोडस, स्ट्रीजा, ओरोब्रांची, रोएंथस, फोराडेंड्रोन. थैंक यू वेरी मच. अल्लाह हाफिज़. टेक केयर.